This is David from DIY Gains. I let the hummingbird go, and as soon as I let him go, came over here to a red bottlebrush tree. As you can see, as you can see in the beginning of this video, hummingbirds actually flying around my red bottlebrush tree. This is what the red bottlebrushes look like. See if I can get a good look of them. So if you have any flowers that resemble this right here, or actually pretty much anything that's red, the hummingbirds this time of year will be attracted to it heavily because they have to hurry up and get as much nectar or sugar water or hummingbird food or whatever you have. They have to hurry up, stock up on it. That way they can migrate for the winter. If you've ever helped out a bird or a hummingbird or pretty much anything in that sense, I'm kind of curious to see what you did. So feel free to leave some comments below. Let me know what you did. But anyway, it took about a day. The hummingbird came back to health, brought him out here to the red bottlebrush tree, and the hummingbird was super excited to see this tree. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna wait a moment. Maybe the hummingbird will come back. Now, whenever I released them, there was actually another hummingbird over here. So there's a total of two. The one that I released, and also the one that was already over here. So if a hummingbird comes over to this tree right now, I really couldn't tell you which one it was, if it was the original one or the one I released over here. But anyway, you'll get the general idea. I don't see either one of them now, but you saw the first one at the beginning of the video. It was actually, if you start the video over, you'll see him. It was right up here. Well, I guess it's not gonna come back right now. Might be kind of spooked that I'm this close to the bottom brush. Let me see, maybe I can back up a little bit. Oh, I hear him. I think that might be him, just laying down the back side. Let's see. Oh, it might also be spooked because my cat is, well, one of my cats is actually down here by my feet. That's probably not helping. But anyway, you get the idea. Let's kind of get a close-up of the flowers. That way you can have a really good idea as to what to look out for. So if you're someone that likes to go bird watching or something, you'll know what kind of flowers to look for. You see these, and they're called a red bottlebrush because literally they look like you could just break it off and clean out a bottle. I mean, literally that's what it looks like. So it's pretty easy to spot. I have another red bottlebrush tree that is on the side of the house over there. That one's a lot bigger than this one. My neighbor behind me, they also have a red bottlebrush tree, so we have a good bit of hummingbirds that are usually out here. Oh, there he is. Or she, whatever it is. You never know. Now, like I said, there was two. Is that right there? There was the one that was originally over here, and there's the one that I released over here. So I'm not sure if this is the one that was already here or if this is the one that I let go. But anyway, you get the idea. There's the hummingbird, all the same. But like I said, they're attracted to red. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's see if I can get a little closer. So anyone that watches all the way to the end, they'll see like a little close-up maybe. Nope, I think it just flew away. Yep, I think it flew away. Let's see. Alright, we're just gonna kind of hang out right here for a few moments. Let's see if the hummingbird will come back. Oh, probably not gonna come back because my cat's right there. Never mind. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.